We're here in Le Rousse. We arrived about an hour ago, checked into the hotel, and we've come out to find somewhere to eat.
Yeah, see the little city. I think it was founded in the 1700s, I think.
Okay, yeah, it looks like it's got some character.
As a little port town, and we're in the centre right now, but we're going to go see the Old Town section, I'd say, and then try and find somewhere for dinner, because nowhere really opens until 7.
Yeah, it's 6 o'clock now, so we've got about an hour to walk around, and yeah, we'll come back in the morning as well to see the rest of the town. But this is just going to be our first impressions before dinner.
All right, Sean, what can you tell me about this little town?
Well, apparently the town was originally named Isola Rosa after the red colour of the rocky island which sheltering the town. I think that's the one just behind us there when we rode in.
We saw that little tower on that we saw.
Yeah, that's right, yeah. The new port was constructed on a regular road grid system with parallel streets orientated north to south, which is an uncommon architectural plan in Corsica. Yeah, that's not very common for these older towns, is it, to have a grid system? But
no, not at all. We actually said that when we came in. It was like, it's on a grid system?
Yeah. And they have a thriving trade of olive oil and wine, which makes sense because we went past quite a few olive trees today, didn't we?
Yeah, we really did. And I think we might be able to try some olive oil, maybe some wine tonight.
Oh yeah, hopefully they got some olives in the restaurant. Doesn't this, I think, remind you of Florence? Is it Florence that's got one of these markets? I
think
remember.
so, and Venice as well have got them.
Yeah, that's it. Venice has got one too. I don't know when the market was on. It doesn't look like it was on today though.
No, should we head up here, see if we can find a restaurant?
Oh yeah, most of the restaurants seem to be on the second street in the grid. But they're all getting ready to open in about an hour or two. They open quite late, restaurants, don't they, aren't they?
Yeah.
Still has its authentic charm. It doesn't look like it's been touched in years. It's actually turned out to be a really wonderful little city.
Have you seen, there was a cat just perched on the window there as well. It was so idyllic.
A little cat, was it, just on the window?
Perched on the windowsill. We've got a traditional biscuit shop here.
Tell you what, the skies are looking a bit gloomy.
A little. It looks like a storm's coming in, so we got to here just in time. And I think we've got like 20 minutes of sunlight, and then hopefully we can have dinner here. But look, you can see the white sand beaches over here as well.
Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it? The turquoise colour.
I can't believe how calm the water is as well, considering it was so windy today.
Yeah, that's true. It really was windy today. It really, sometimes it knocked the bike offline.
It's such a gorgeous, gorgeous little place. Feels completely untouched.
You can see the floor as well.
Yeah.
All right, and we need to find somewhere quick.
Yeah.
There's some big fat rain falling, and I think we're about to get caught in a
I think there's going to
thunderstorm.
be a big thunderstorm, which is kind of cool though.
It is, but I've got the camera with me, so I might need to find a plastic bag from somewhere.
Okay, let's find a place to have dinner.
I checked the weather as well before we came out, and it wasn't supposed to rain.
Doesn't matter.
I
It's
thought
all
it'd be
good.
accurate at least within an hour.
All right, let's have a look. What have we got here?
Pressure's on, Em. Come on.
I know. Okay, this way. This way.
Can we just come from this way?
I'm just pulling your leg now.
I think somebody doesn't want to get her hair wet.
No, I don't actually.
So none of the restaurants were open until 7 o'clock here. So as it was about to pour down, there was this one restaurant open, and we're in a Thai restaurant, and it looks amazing actually. The menu is really good. So we've just ordered, and I'm really looking forward to dinner.
So what have you got? You got yourself a beer, didn't you?
Yes, actually, this is a Corsica beer, Piatra. Apparently, it's made with chestnuts.
What's it like?
It's really nice actually. It's quite sweet. It's also quite hoppy as well. I really like that. Makes a good change. On a scale of 1 to 10, how happy are you right now, Elle?
So happy. We have pad thai, vegetables and rice, and fried rice and vegetables. This one has tofu in. It smells so good, and I think it's going to taste even better. Everything has been made fresh, just in the kitchen around the corner.
Yeah, it looks absolutely fantastic.
Almost. How do we stumble upon these hidden gems every time? This is amazing. You got to try that.
Yeah, we struck gold here. Can I eat mine now?
Yeah.
That was a much needed dinner after today's busy day.
I am stuffed.
It was really good though, wasn't it?
Really,
it was super
really
tasty.
good. And we actually skipped lunch today. So that's why there was 3 dinners, even though I don't need to justify it.
Do they
But
have to
that's
stop
what
it?
it was.
I don't know, just keep going.
But yeah, it was a fantastic day. We rode Cape Corse and we've done this route through the mountains and we've managed to see a city all in one day. It's such small kilometres here, you can really enjoy yourself.
That's right. We're going to head back to the hotel now, but we'll be walking back into town in the morning to see if we can find breakfast and a decent cup of coffee. So that's good night from us.
Merci beaucoup. Merci. Good morning.
It's day 2 and we're here in a coffee shop.
Yeah.
It's the only one that's actually open at the moment. It's very sleepy, this town, in the morning.
Yeah, I got an Americano and you got double espresso, didn't you?
I did, yeah. Started to rain a little bit this morning. Well, it was blue skies and sunny. I stood outside, went back in, told them the weather was great. We stepped outside 10 minutes later and it's raining, but
Yeah.
I think it's going to clear as well.
It's just a bit showery, but today we have a great route as we head down towards Porto actually today. So hopefully the weather will clear up and we'll be able to get on the road after these coffees.
that was actually a really nice cafe experience.
Yeah, it was lovely.
It was really old school. Like they had like locals for coffee. They obviously come in every day because you knew them by name. But it's a really nice community thing that instead of everyone like just drinking coffee at home, I think it's so like the price is so good that
you can come out and have
you
your
might
coffee.
as well come out and meet all your friends and stuff. And
Our
that's really
Americano and espresso came to €4. Like it's so cheap, and you just have the best time in there. It was lovely, and all of the locals were in there, so you kind of got a little bit of an experience. It's not like, you know, I don't think he would do you a frappuccino, but it was great.
But you got a really good coffee all
and
the
the
same.
sun is coming out.
Yeah, the sun is coming out. The sky, the clouds are breaking up there. So, what are we at 9 o'clock at the moment, Tom?
9 o'clock. I think we'll go back, suit up, and then head on the road.
Yeah, we'll take one little walk around the town centre again, and yeah, gonna get on the road and explore some of the small abandoned towns in the region.
Yeah, exciting. Oh, the market's on.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's only small, but it's cute.
Oh, yeah.
Cute fresh fruits and vegetables, and some honey.
Now head off.
These look slippy.
They are slippy, yeah.
Right, are we almost ready to leave?
Yeah, almost. The panniers are on the bike ready. The sun has come out and it's starting to dry off. The bike is filthy though, by the way.
Really?
Yeah, it was like mud rain.
Oh no, okay, so we might have to give him a little wash down.
You might need little rinse, yeah.
All right then, I'm so excited about today. The route down to Porto is going to be, I think, very special.
Yeah, we've got 164 kilometres to go today, and I think we've got lots of little villages to explore on the way. So yeah, let's get going.
Let's go. We'll see you in the next episode as we continue our Corsica tour.